Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and I got my safety goggles on because I'm going to crack this safe. So that's right, I don't know what's in here. Forgot the combination. Obviously this is not a crime. This is something that I own. But I forgot what's in here, so I may have something valuable in here. So I'm going to try to crack into this. That was easy. There we go. The safe is cracked. There's going to be some paperwork in here that I will not expose to the general eyes. Let me get it out of the way here. Actually put it away. We're going to see what's in here. So we have some potentially valuable baseball cards. Aha! See, it's good I didn't hit that side. We're going to go through these in a separate video, but right on the front, you've got Dave Justice, Donruss 1990. So, potentially valuable there. In here, you've also got some cards. Ooh, I see one. That's a Cecil Fielder. So we're going to go through these. I've got some potentially valuable cards in this box, in this safe.